imagine that we have Duterte our president to win the coming election for the presidency, hoping for the change to come.
Imagine there's no heaven. It's easy if you try. No hell below above the sunlit sky. Imagine all the people living for today. Imagine there's no country, nothing to kill or die for, and no religion too. Imagine all the people living life in peace. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. Maybe someday you will join us, and the world will live as one. Imagine no possessions. I wonder if you can. No need.
Duterte for president. And we'll live as one. As one.